welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to restore these headers for my man Ricky Lara. So I'm gonna be using MAC aluminum polisher.
Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey.
That's how it came out. Like, what do you guys think? Compare how it was. So I only did the top, well, where the weld marks are, because that's all you're gonna see when you pop the hood, you know? But this shit was bad. Like, it had oil marks and everything.
Sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light.
These are the new headers that are going to go in the car. I bought them used. Got a good deal on them. These are the Stunt 2 Alpha for B-Series. These things are really nice. They were all like dirty looking. I don't know if you can tell in the video. But I had my boy Ricky polish the tops at least so they can look a little better when I put them in there. But yeah, they came out really nice. Thanks for the hookup, Ricky. And yeah, let's put them on.